Hello and welcome to another fun and exciting point of sale related video. Purpose of this video is just to give a very brief overview of the handheld device that can be used with the Cloud Retailer point of sale software. This is not intended to be an in-depth overview, training, etc., just a quick overview of what the product looks like and what it can do. So, this is it. It is a handheld device in an enclosed case. Basically, it's an Android phone with a 1D barcode scanner, laser barcode scanner I should say, in a toughened case. We'll move this a little closer. You can see the icons here, and basically these are the things that this device can do. We have the ability to do a price check, do some basic ordering, print out labels, do our purchasing, receiving, some general settings. We have the ability to do some store-to-store transfers for those of you who have multiple locations, some basic information on products, of course the ability to sync with a database, do some physical inventory counting, and then a future enhancement or configuration customization, take your pick of terms, is the ability to do some customized task pads, and that would be like a custom menu that will appear with different features and functions. So that's it. Very cool device. Price-wise, they are $1,700, which includes the battery, the software, of course the device, charging cable and interface cable, and then there is a $19 a month charge for support and updates. And that's pretty much it. Again, this is designed specifically for Cloud Retailer. If you have any questions, the contact information will be in the video description. And thanks for watching.